how to add collaboration in Instagram after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever felt frustrated about not being able to add collaborators to your Instagram post after you've already published them, don't worry, today I'll guide you. First of all, open your Instagram app and then go to your profile on the bottom left, choose one of the specific posts and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then search for add collaborators option or add paid partnership label button. But if you don't find it, don't worry, I'll show you how to enable it. So return to your profile and then tap on the three horizontal lines on the top. Scroll down until you find help option, tap on it and then tap on report a problem. Confirm it and then it says, would you like to include complete logs and diagnostics? It's your choice. I'll tap on include and continue. So now what you have to do is explain your issue in the text box. So what you can write is, I cannot add a collaboration to my Instagram post after I've posted it. I do not want to delete the post and repost it again. Please resolve the issue as soon as possible. And then also feel free to attach a screenshot or upload a photo if necessary. And then Instagram support usually responds within a day or two. If you don't encounter any issues, simply tap on the add paid partnership option after clicking edit and you'll see additional options to tag your collaborators. And there it is. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.